IIT Bombay Tech Fest. So due to the personal reasons, I cannot put the video for 4 days, and here afterwards of videos will be coming on automatically, and some other comments I got it, and I will post the next videos, so that kindly watch and like and share to other friends. So now we're going to see about IIT Mumbai presents a Tech Fest. It's in 2025 launched program. It is the biggest Asia's program. So conducted by IIT Bombay, IIT Bombay. So this program was launched at 20, December 22 to 24. It's around 3 days. So those who are interested, you can apply it. The benefits of program is they are supporting for accommodation. They are supporting for accommodation. You can book the slots for workshops. While scrolling down, you can see more the things. What is the location? Where the location is available? As per the what are the charges? Because they are providing the rooms, so that for staying, especially for students. So those who are interested, you can apply it, and they are these workshops. It's so many benefits are there. So that you can check it out to the event pass, what the access will be there, and budget friendly to what they stay, and the nearby the hotels are available, and they are being safe and securing the students also. What is the convenient to be the near to campus areas, so you can say it. And these are the partners of IIT Bombay. They are partnering with all the official uh, in all the uh, partnering with the tech, and as well as hotel areas also. If you have any queries, you can check it out, and you can study what are the doubts, yeah, if you are available. And if you have a doubts, you can check it with this contact number, or directly you can speak it out. Whatever the doubts, they will clarify it. So this is workshops. They having These are the professional certification courses. These and all AML, machine learning, data science, and the prompt engineering, including financial business, blockchain, cryptocurrency, business analytics, personal finance, and for the development of software, AutoCAD, web development, and so many other things are there. UI UX design for cyber technology, the cyber security, technology innovations, and so many things are there. But they are developing more and more also, I think so, because this website is a little bit in the underworking. And the competitions, they are launching the competitions both online and offline, I think so. Check it out, and you can explore with the adults also. This will be helpful for especially college students, second year, third year. Those who are interested, you can do it. These are the venues for Chennai. For Chennai, they are mentioned, but the Bangalore not mentioned. If the Bangalore, if you want about the Bangalore details, you can call to HR managers. That managers, they will be help you. Well, these peoples will help you to help and the guide. Okay, and kindly follow the social media: LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and Discord, and join the Discord also. You can got to know so many information also. Okay, and in the events you can see the exhibitions, lectures, and innovation challenge. These are the innovation challenge. What they are the innovation challenge? You can see the structure, and you can be proceed on it, and these are the lectures. These are the lectures who are coordinating, and these are the teachers, they are coming, and for the speaking highlights, they are coming from all over the world. You can check it out. Under the educations. Okay, we will go to the home page, and under the side you can check it out the timelines also. Under the previously the event was happened, so that videos will be available in the YouTube channel. Go and check it out. It will be more useful to others also. So that the team size will be 1 to 4, so that it will be the easy and secure also. So some other details will be updating before December. The process is going on, so that only it could be the late. The regular updates will be next and next videos. We will see about IIT Bombay Tech Fest. Any updates will become, I will post it as in a video. If you have doubts, kindly put the comments, like and subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you all. Thank you so much.